Hey everyone, today we are gonna cover ListView Builder widget in Flutter. Let's get started. Here I have an expanded widget. In the child, I'll write ListView.Builder widget. It has an item builder. If I hover on it, it requires a function that take build context and an integer to render the items. So I'll pass them, and in the return I'll give it a builder content widget. Below, I'll make this widget and return a container. In the box decoration, I'll style it a bit and save the code. We can see our containers on the screen, but right now they are not visible properly. So I'll give it 15 pixels of margin from every side. If I save the code, now it looks perfect. But right now the containers are infinite. To control the length, in the item count property, I'll pass it a number, let's say 3. If I save it, we can now see it has rendered only 3 items. At this moment, it's just rendering the container. If you want to put dynamic content inside each container, for that ListView Builder gives us an index. With the combination of a list, we can display dynamic content in every container of the builder. So here I'll make a list of string type with the name image list, and inside I'll pass some images URL, and then here I'll use decoration image and pass a network image to it. Now we need a separate URL for every image. So in the parameter of this widget, I'll call a string type variable with the name image URL, and then in item count I'll call our image list length. You can now see our widget is looking for URL to render dynamic images. So I'll pass it our list with index. If I save it, we can see our images on screen. To fit them in the container, I'll use boxfit.cover. And if I scroll, now images are looking perfect and the content is dynamic for each container. Let's see another example. I'm gonna wrap the expanded widget inside a column, and I'll copy our builder and paste it upside. But instead of using the widget, I'll pass here a circle avatar with the radius of 40 pixel. If I save the code, we can see the circle avatars on screen as well. Right now they are behaving vertically, but I want to make them horizontal. So in the scroll direction, I'll pass axis.horizontal, and now you can see the list view builder behave horizontally. Because both of the builders are using expanded widget, they are taking the space of screen equally. In this expanded, I'll use flex and pass 8 here. And now the second builder take more space of the screen. To make it look good, I'll use a size box of 80 at the top of the column. And then inside the circle avatar, I'll use background image. Here I'll use a network image and pass our image list with index. And for aesthetics, I'll give it a padding of 8 from left side. That's the list view builder widget in Flutter. I've dropped the source code link in description.